Hi everyone, this is Janet Black with Lovin the Bling Designs, and this video is featuring how I organize my stitch files, digital stitch files and embroidery files. I was getting a lot of designs because every time I get on Etsy, it never fails. I'm buying a design. I can't help it. I'm searching for, maybe I'm working on my own shop, but it never fails. I'll see a design that'll pop up and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I can't help it, but it'll end up in my cart. So I end up getting a lot of designs. So how I decided to organize them is I put them in the first one, I put A in front of the initial. That way I know it comes up first. And right now I have this in view, big, large font or large icon, view, large icon. But usually I do have some in list mode, especially when I'm in Embrilliance, it will come up on list mode. So I like to have alphabets A coming up first. So these are all my alphabets. And then I have it under applique, full stitch, or monogram. And then I have all appliques. So anything related to an applique, I have it in this folder. And it's under like the name of it's under the name of the design, like Black Panther, happy car, a horse, things like that. So if a customer is saying, well, I don't know what I like, but I know, he likes horses. So I'll go into my horse file and maybe give her some options or give that customer options that I have in different horses, different designs related to horses. If it's more specific, like mermaids, I have a mermaid folder that has I'm keeping all the designs in their own group. Especially, I'm doing this because right now I have a PE800 machine, which takes PES, actual files. But eventually I'm going to be, hopefully in the next few months, upgrading to a Melco, which might take a different extension of a file, like a EP, EXP, HUS, JEF, or a DST. So I keep them in their designated folders when I can, under the primary folder of like mermaids. This is all like Mickey Mouse, and I have different folders of the type of Mickey Mouse design that is. Like, this is a winking Mickey. We have just a head Mickey. We have a half of a head Mickey, so like it would be used on a towel, a hoodie towel. So that's how I sort and organize my embroidery designs. And then if you go back to the main folder, I have this just as full stitch. Just everything is full stitch designs in here. So like I have a balloon, which is full stitch. Frozen, all the Frozen characters are full stitch. So I know if I want to not mess with appliques, I'm going to go to this folder that's full stitch, and that'll give me all my options for different designs on full stitch. This is a folder for numbers only, and then I have a folder in there called appliques. I don't have any numbers that are full stitch, so when I do though, I would probably add a folder called full stitch here. So, and then I have this just birthdays. This is a cowboys and cowgirl theme for just birthdays, birthday with a number. Basically it's designs that already has the full number on them and a image that's inside with the number already. So like this one is a cowboy. So I don't have digitizing software, so I can't remove the cowboy hat or the rope or the boots. So these are folders that have specific birthday themes already. And then I've got a folder for corporate. So like everything in my corporate folder is tax related or receipts, anything related to my company, logo, my logos, things like that. This is a folder that's holidays. So I wanted something that was specifically if I wanted to go specific to July 4th, stitched out designs, or Valentine's Day or Easter. So I have those in specific folders, so I'm not having to search for them. And then I have a folder called listings. If you don't already, you should take really good pictures of your stitched artwork or stitched designs, products, and logo them. Always put your logo on your design after you've taken the image on a camera. So these are my images that I have that do not have my logo on them, and then I put them in a software called CorelDRAW that I use, and I attach my logo on them. So like this one I did recently, it has my logo on them. I try not to put it right over the design, but I do put it enough where you know there's a logo there. So that's what that folder is, just listings. And then I have my mockup folder. That's if a customer wants to see a mockup of something first before deciding to order. That's where I'll save those here. And this is my setup embroidery design. That's if I'm still working on it, I'll put it here. I'll save it in here. And then I have a folder for my software for embroidering. And then I have something totally opposite, which is tutus, which I'm trying to get into and trying to sew straight, which I don't know what it is for me, but sewing straight it must be a challenge for me because I'm still trying to get it down. So anyway, hopefully the tutus will be on my shop soon. So, and thanks for watching. I hope this is very informative for you, and please be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.